Hello, we are Isoyu and Yunji-san, and we're gonna present about OpenCV, and this is our index. What is OpenCV and its history, how to use, the uses of OpenCV, and examples, and similar program, and after that Q&A. What is OpenCV? OpenCV is a short words of open source plus computer visions. The picture over there is the mark of OpenCV. OpenCV was built to provide a common infrastructures for computer visions applications, and the features of OpenCV. OpenCV is the library, open source computer library. So you can use all the functions which the OpenCV will provide. For example, as I will show you soon, CV match templates. The function compares overlap size with the temporary image using the specified method and store the comparison result to resulter on CV rectangle. Draw a rectangle with two opposite corner P1 and P2, and it's also free open source library. That means it doesn't restrict neither academical or commercial use. It also supports C++, C, Python, Java in Windows, Linux, Mac OS, iOS, and Android. You can see in the pictures. The history of the OpenCV project was launched by Intel in 1999. The first alpha versions of OpenCV was released at the IEEE conference on the computer visions and pattern recognitions in 2000. The first 1.0 versions was released in 2006. OpenCV obtained corporate support from Willow Garage in mid-2008. The second major release of the OpenCV was on October 2009, and that used C++ interfaces. This is the picture of first and second version of OpenCV, which you can find in Willow Garage homepage and OpenCV.org. And the official release now occur every 6 months, as you can see in the next picture. First picture, 2014, April 25, and for that 2013, December 31. How to use OpenCV. First, you have to download OpenCV files in OpenCV.org. Now the newest versions of the OpenCV is 2.4.9, but I use 2.4.8 versions. After downloading it, extract folder wherever that you want in Windows. We have to use Visual Studio, so we have to prepare some progress to use OpenCV. First include folders in OpenCV to the include directory in Visual Studio options, and include library folders in build to library directory. You can choose one if you use 32 bits, and you have to find the library folder in x86, and if you use 64 bits, you have to use x64 in the OpenCV folders. And after that, VC10 means Visual Studio 10. And in linker additional dependency, you type something you can see in the picture. After that, copy the DLL files to the folder where project is belonged. And this is the examples of using OpenCV in Visual Studio. The source used CV mesh template and CV rectangle and other kind of functions. The basic algorithms of this program is to find similar part between two pictures with OpenCV supported functions and draw a rectangle in similar parts in the used pictures. And my part is over, and he will explain the next.
I will talk about actual uses of OpenCV. Actually, we can face many things about OpenCV, so we cannot realize it immediately. Though those things in screens are typically examples of OpenCV. Because we are focusing on OpenCV, I will skip specific things about this. First, human-computer interaction. Human-computer interaction is the study, planning, design, and uses of the interaction between users and computers. If you imagine common communication of ours, it can be easy to understand. We focus on not human to human, but human to computer. Then, why you use OpenCV for this? You might have seen like this on movie. This is gesture recognition system. Gesture recognition system is a topic in computer science and language technology with the goal of interpreting human gesture via mathematical algorithms. Second is facial recognition system. Facial recognition system is a computer application for automatically identifying or verifying a person from a digital image or video file from a video source. One of the ways to do this is by comparing selected facial features from the image and a facial database. Because OpenCV includes many algorithms for handling various image information, OpenCV can contribute to the way mentioned earlier. Mobile robotics is an automatic machine that is capable of movement in any given environment. For example, robot cleaner must leave the info information because they can set course by doing that. As mentioned earlier, OpenCV contributes to handling those information. You can easily expand where OpenCV used. From earlier topic, you might wonder about other tools like OpenCV. So the next topic, let us discuss about similar tools like OpenCV. I searched 3 representative tools like OpenCV. First, CVIP tool. It provides useful algorithms for image processing and also compatible for conforming own product or image algorithm at intergrade of developing. The next, ListFlix, is a public domain image analysis program for Microsoft Windows, written and maintained by David Bright. It features a collection of special purpose research tools for electron microscopy and spatial imaging at NIST. Most of ListFlix is written in common RISP. The last, Gloss Plus GIMP, is a GIMP plug-in providing an environment for testing algorithms for image processing. The environment contains a simple editor for entering the algorithms. It uses the Lua interpreter. And this is our reference. We almost get data in Wikipedia. Thank you. Please question.